How to use Gemini CLI in Cursor. Want to speed up your coding and make AI development simple? You can use Gemini CLI inside Cursor to write, debug, and automate faster than ever. Start by opening the Cursor IDE, which is already designed for AI-assisted development. Make sure Gemini CLI is installed and linked to your Google account to unlock all AI features. Inside Cursor, open the terminal and run Gemini directly. You can get instant AI help for code explanations, bug fixes, refactoring, or even generating whole project files without leaving the editor. With Gemini CLI and Cursor combined, you can move from idea to working code in minutes. It's like having an AI coding partner built right into your development environment. And that's how to use Gemini CLI in Cursor. Simple, powerful, and perfect for AI-driven coding. Thanks for watching.